Hey guys, Ken from Investing Made Easy here. Today I'm going to be talking about cryptocurrencies and how you can take advantage of this highly volatile market. But before we start, make sure to like, comment and subscribe for future videos. Links to everything in this video will be in the description below. As always, we can't discuss a topic without first knowing what it's about. So what are cryptocurrencies? A cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which encryption techniques are used to regulate the generation of units of currency and verify the transfer of funds, operating independently of a central bank. Furthermore, all cryptocurrencies have a finite number of tokens, which is what gives them their value. Cryptocurrencies that are the most important at the moment are Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple, which together make up most of the cryptocurrency market. Let's have a look at how Bitcoin has been doing in the past year. As many people are aware of, in late November to mid-December of 2017, there was a huge boom in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin hit $19,783 in December and began to drop in price shortly afterwards. It was clear Bitcoin had become overvalued. I thought to myself that Bitcoin would almost drop out of existence. However, this April 2018, the price has begun to even out and even begin to start increasing. From the graph you can see Bitcoin is extremely volatile and you should not invest large amounts of your money into it. If we have a little look at Ethereum, there was a huge spike just as Bitcoin was crashing. People may have been looking for an alternate cryptocurrency to trade with. Just like Bitcoin, this was short-lived and the price crashed just shortly afterwards. However, like Bitcoin, in April of this year the price has begun to increase again. This could indicate a good time to invest in cryptocurrencies as the public are regaining confidence in cryptocurrencies. So, how can we take advantage of cryptocurrencies? In this video I'll be talking about 3 ways you can acquire cryptocurrencies: purchasing the currency directly, mining the cryptocurrency yourself, or investing into a company that mines cryptocurrencies on a larger scale. Let's begin with purchasing cryptocurrencies yourself. Firstly, you could use a trading site such as Trading212 or Plus500 to purchase cryptocurrencies in a trading site. These sites are great because transaction fees are generally very low. Cryptocurrencies can also be integrated into investing strategies for traditional stocks, and having all your stocks and cryptocurrencies together can also be handy. The other alternative would be to hold your cryptocurrencies in your own wallet. You could use sites such as Bitpanda or Coinbase to purchase cryptocurrencies and transfer them to your own wallet. Coinbase is great if you want to trade one of the largest cryptocurrencies. Also at the moment, if you use my affiliate link in the description, you will get $10 if you spend more than $100 in cryptocurrencies. This will allow you to gain a higher margin in trading. Bitpanda is also great as it has a larger variety of coins than Coinbase for you to trade with. Another option is to mine cryptocurrencies yourself. There are 2 ways of doing this: buying consumer graphics cards or using ASIC miners. Consumer cards are great because they're generally more readily available and more versatile. You can also use them for other activities than mining, such as video editing or gaming, and they also generally have a higher resale value when they become obsolete for mining. However, ASIC miners are far more efficient, and for some larger currencies such as Bitcoin, almost mandatory. The efficiency of an ASIC miner can give them a return on investment of only a few months in some cases. The only issue is ASIC miners are out of stock almost everywhere. When mining cryptocurrencies, I would recommend using a cloud mining software. A cloud mining software is useful as it simplifies the experience. It will automatically mine the most efficient coin and pay you in Bitcoin or another large coin. This is great because you don't end up with lots of insignificant coins. My recommendation is a site called Minergate. I've used them in the past and they've given me great returns. Links to their website will be in the description. Things you have to be careful of, however, are electricity costs, cooling costs, and also the noise that they produce. Finally, investing into a mining company. These take away most of the problems you'll face with mining. First of all, they can request ASICs directly from the supplier and place bulk orders, meaning they'll have first pick on new ASIC cards. Secondly, they are generally built in places where electricity costs are low. For instance, ice rock mining only pays 0.03 cents per kilowatt hour, as opposed to the 19 cents I pay here in the UK. Furthermore, in the case of ice rock mining, they don't even have to pay for cooling, as they are built in a cave kept at 12 degrees Celsius. Ice rock mining and Ambit are the two companies that I think will be the most successful at the moment. Links to these websites can be found in the description. I will also be making a video in the future on ice rock mining and analysing its risks and deciding whether it's a good company to invest in. Thank you all very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you didn't enjoy this video, drop me a comment in the comments section and tell me how I can improve. This is Ken from Investing Made Easy, and I'll see you.